Well, you're gonna slip.
Careful. Look at that obstacle course.
Can you walk through it? Wait. Let's walk through. Can you walk through? Come on.
No.
Here's the ball. You want to knock the ball? What's that street? Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Oh, yuck. Here, come up here and let's knock him over. You want to knock him over? Hmm? No? I thought he would want to knock everyone over.
Well, I saw him and was laughing earlier. Bracken, look. Oh. Get it.
You can get it. No? Missy and I are going to have to play ball. Let's see. No, you like it? You don't want them messed up? There you go. Did you get it? Go whack. Whack it. Whack. Whack it. You whack it. Whack. You get one. Get it. Yeah. Again. Oh, there you go.
Kick it.
Do this. Look.
Kick it.
They're hard. They're really packed. Kick it. Kick it. Oh. 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 Look at me. Look at me. There we go. Here, I'll hold your hand. Kick it. 1, 2, 3. Kick. No? Hit it? No?
Do you want to go in your basket? Come on. You want to go in here? Come here. Come here.
Oh yeah, let me walk in a puddle. Why do they always pick out the puddle?
Sit down. Look. Don't get up.
Bracken.
You need to sit down if you're going to be in here.
No. I got the not going to be in there, Mom.
I think he's gonna slip.
Yeah.
Don't let him.